If you want to remove third-party apps from your Gmail account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and easiest way to disconnect apps and services that no longer need access to your Google account. This is a smart thing to do if you've tested a tool, signed into a service you no longer use, or just want to improve your account security and reduce unnecessary access. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account settings, where you can manage security, privacy, and connected services. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account linked to your Gmail account if you aren't already signed in. After you're signed in, look at the menu on the left side or the security section of the page and click Security. This is where Google keeps the controls for login activity, account protection, and connected apps. Take a moment to scroll through the security options until you find the section labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This section shows all the apps and services that have some level of access to your Google account. Now click See All Connections. This will open a full list of every connected third-party app and service associated with your account. You may see apps you recognize immediately, and you may also see services you signed into once and forgot about later. Go through the list carefully so you can decide which ones you still use and which ones you want to remove. Once you find the app you want to disconnect, click on it to open its details. You'll usually see what kind of access it has and when it was connected. If you're sure you no longer want it linked to your account, look for the option that says Delete all access you have with that app. This is the key step that fully removes the app's access to your Google account. Click that option, then confirm the removal when Google asks you to verify your choice. Depending on the app, Google may warn you that some features or sign-in methods may stop working after access is removed. That's normal, so just make sure you only remove apps you no longer need. After confirming, the app will be disconnected from your account. If you have more than one app to remove, repeat the same process for each one. Go back to the connections list, choose the next app, and remove access one by one until you've cleaned up everything you want to disconnect. This is a great way to keep your Google account organized and reduce the number of services tied to your Gmail login. And that's it. You've now removed third-party apps from your Gmail account and taken an important step toward better account security. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.